that constantly evolving, the Internet of Things or IoT is at the forefront of innovation. Let's explore the exciting future trends of IoT. Smart homes are becoming smarter. IoT devices will seamlessly integrate into our life, from intelligent appliances to voice controlled home automation systems. Healthcare will see a transformation. Wearable IoT devices and remote patient monitoring will revolutionize how we manage our health. Transportation is going autonomous. IoT is at the heart of self-driving cars, enhancing safety and reducing traffic congestion. Industry 4.0 is here. IoT-enabled machinery and sensors will optimize manufacturing processes, increasing efficiency and reducing cost. Agriculture goes high-tech. IoT in farming means precision agriculture, conserving resources and increasing yields. Smart cities are on the rise. IoT will manage city infrastructure, improving public services and reducing environmental impact. The IoT network will expand, connecting billions of devices worldwide, creating a truly interconnected world. From our homes to our cities, healthcare and beyond, IoT is shaping a future where technology enhances our life, making it more efficient, sustainable and interconnected.